Hello everyone and welcome to the Top Foreign channel. Imagine if I were to tell you about a tool that rewards you for simply copying and pasting text. What makes this tool great for beginners is that it doesn't involve selling, building a social media following, or requiring any investments. Similar to my other videos, this method is completely free. The website associated with this tool pays generously and automatically, making it accessible worldwide. Regardless of your location, this opportunity will work for you. Pay close attention to every second of this video, as I will be sharing bonus tips and tricks to potentially double or even triple your online income. To get started, you'll need to sign up for this tool completely free of charge in order to automate the process and collect your earnings effortlessly. However, before I reveal the tool, there's another website you need to set up first. Begin by visiting a website called OfferVault. To quickly access the site, click on your web browser's address bar and type in offervault.com. OfferVault is a CPA marketplace hosting thousands of different CPA offers, all of which you can join for free. CPA stands for cost per action, meaning you can earn money even if the people you refer to the link don't make any purchases or spend any money. Simply by providing their email address, you can still receive payment. It's much easier to persuade someone to sign up with their email address than to convince them to make a purchase or pay for something. That's why this method is highly effective. This method is ideal for beginners, and now I'll demonstrate how you can obtain your affiliate link for these offers and integrate it with the second tool we'll be using to generate passive income. Let's break down the steps. Step 1. Visit OfferVault.com by heading over to their website. Step 2. Proceed to the search bar on OfferVault and enter the most popular keyword, which happens to be Amazon gift card. This keyword is highly sought after because there are various giveaways where you can refer people and earn money. By promoting these free giveaways, individuals can sign up by providing their email address, giving them a chance to win an Amazon gift card, while you earn a commission for their free sign-up. This incentive encourages people to sign up for these offers, making the referral process much easier. However, there's an important additional step you should take. Look for a box labeled Categories and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, and you want to select the option that says CPA. By doing so, the results will be filtered to display only CPA offers. These are giveaways where you can refer people, and they don't have to make any purchases. They only need to enter their email address, and you will earn a commission for each visitor. As you browse through these offers, you can see how much you can earn when someone clicks on your link. Take your time scrolling through these available offers. Now let's select an offer that interests you. As an example, I'll use this $150 Amazon gift card giveaway. People can enter the giveaway, and I would earn $2.76 for each referral. While going through these offers, you can find giveaways for gift cards ranging from $100 to $500 or even $1,000. If you're enjoying this video, please show your support by leaving a like, commenting below, subscribing to this channel for more videos on making money online, and clicking on the notification bell to stay updated on our new content. When you open the offer, it will appear like this, and you can read more details about the specific offer. The payout for this particular offer is $2.76. This means that if I refer 10 people, I would earn $27.60. If I refer 100 people, that would amount to $276. Now I'll show you a free traffic source where millions of people visit every day. On the right-hand side, you'll see a preview of the website where you'll be sending people to enter the giveaway. In this case, I'm directing them to a free trial sign-up where they can enter and have a chance to win a $150 Amazon gift card. For step number 3, you'll need to grab your CPA link. Keep in mind that this will be different for each network you choose on the website. To obtain your affiliate link, simply click on this button here. It will redirect you to another website where you'll need to sign up and provide your name, email address, and other personal information. Once you've completed the form, submit your application. Once you have obtained your referral link, simply copy it and proceed to the second website. The website you need to visit is Answers. To quickly access this website, click on the address bar of your web browser and type in Answers.com. According to SimilarWeb, Answers receives over 6.4 million monthly visitors, indicating its significant potential for generating signups to your affiliate link. Answers serves as a platform where millions of individuals visit daily to ask and answer questions. One advantageous aspect of Answers is that once a question is answered on the website, it has the potential to appear in Google's search results. When someone seeks an answer, they often turn to Google, and there's a good chance that answers or replies from Answers.com will be displayed as search results. By ranking high on Google, our post will remain visible for an extended period, allowing us to generate passive income from this website. However, before we can proceed, we need to create an account on Answers. Look for the Login button, typically located on the website, and click on it. A pop-up box will appear, offering various login options such as Google, Facebook, Apple, or email. Since we don't have an account yet, click on the link that says Sign Up here. You can sign up by providing your email address. Now let's create a password for your account. Pay close attention to this step, as it is crucial. Only check the first box to avoid receiving spam emails that could clutter your inbox and potentially cause you to miss important messages. After that, verify that you are not a robot and click on the Submit button. Once you have successfully created your free account, you can utilize the search bar to find targeted individuals who may be interested in signing up for your offers. For example, you can search for keywords like how to make money online, which will generate a list of relevant results indicating high demand for answers to this question. Now you can engage with the existing comments by replying to them, stating something like, "Hey, you can earn money online by winning a gift card right here," or whatever your offer entails. Remember to include your referral link at the end of your reply, enabling them to visit the offer and sign up, ultimately earning you a commission. Answers.com does not delete your answers. Instead, they may rank higher in search results, and there's even a possibility of appearing as a search result on Google. All you need to do now is start answering some questions and witness your account fill up with interested people in no time. That concludes the video. Before we wrap up, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell to receive updates whenever we upload new content. Don't forget to smash that like button and leave a comment below. I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace!